Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to stop someone messaging you or Instagram without blocking, which means if you want to simply stop the messages of someone on Instagram and you do not want to block them, then how you can do that. So what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to simply open the Instagram here, and after that you have to simply open your Instagram DM, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply open the messages of that person, and after that you have to click on their profile, and here you can find many options. Now one option is the mute section, and here you can simply turn on the mute message, and here you can simply click on until I change it, and which means that person will send you the message and you will not get the message notification because that person is muted. And if you do not want to use that feature, you can also choose the notification settings for that, which means what you have to do, you have to simply turn off the notification for that person messages. For this you have to click on profile, and after that you have to click on three lines. In three lines you have to go to settings and privacy, and after that you have to go to notification, and here you have to go to messages, and you can simply turn off the messages of that person from here, which means you can simply turn off the notification for messages, or you can simply use the quiet mode, and you can set the quiet mode for that time that person send you the message. And if you want to know more about the quiet mode on Instagram, you can check our channel, which I have also uploaded a video about the quiet mode. Hope you have liked the video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.